I'm Katharine Willis. I'm Professor of Smart Cities and Communities in the School of Art, Design and Architecture at University of Plymouth, and I'm one of the co-organisers of today. So the event Future Neighbourhoods was a sort of joint event between ourselves and Nudge Community Builders. And Future Neighbourhoods was really about thinking about getting people together to go, what is the future of our neighbourhood? How can we build it? What ways might we think about it? And also building on my own research, what ways the technology might sort of help us to do that in sort of interesting or ways in which we do things differently to the way we're doing now.
So Nudge was set up by local residents and we bring buildings back into use along Union Street. The university are interested in how they can reach out more into the community, and we're interested in how our buildings and spaces are used in ways that really stimulate lots of opportunities for local people. We all need sort of strategic planning to kind of think about how a city works, but at a community level, sometimes those plans can be a bit blunt. Often the voice of local people can be quite a small part of that, and we think it needs to be a much bigger part, and that they are also part of delivering that solution.
I heard about this actually through a Nudge volunteer WhatsApp group, and I read all about it and I thought that sounds interesting. Seeing what other people's ideas are, how they would like to see the future, and I was like thinking, what would I like to see? It'd be good to go down there, see what other people think, and then put my own input in as well.
These events are needed more and more, especially now. Local business and local events is where people should be coming to get to know people, to do business together and to interact. Nothing happens unless somebody spots an idea and then raises it and works on it and pushes it.
I definitely need more trees, more grass, more plants, more gardens growing food. I want my neighbourhood to be safe and caring and compassionate towards each other, and look at the difficulties and the challenges not by punishing people but by looking at the human in them.
So I think this was part of this conversation we have around what the future neighbourhood is and how we might work together on that and how we might support each other. This is really sort of part of an ongoing relationship and a sort of partnership building and a commitment to working within Stonehouse and the wider Plymouth area, where there's some really big challenges around how they engage and how they create that future, I suppose.